Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Gino, that's Daisy, and today we're showing you guys how to make these amazing galaxy cupcakes. They start with a delicious and moist chocolate cupcake base, then we top it off with some buttercream frosting in the colors of the galaxy. These are not only delicious and super pretty, but they're super simple to make, so without further ado, let's get baking. The ingredients that you'll need for this recipe include 1 3/4 cup of cake flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of boiling water, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of whole milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. So to begin this easy cupcake recipe, you first want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Speaking of numbers, how many of you have had issues writing 2020 on paperwork? I've been writing 2019 like non-stop this week, and I'm like, oh, get in your head, it's 2020, new decade, new year, positive vibes, yeah. Anyways, this cupcake recipe is super simple. You first want to combine all of your dry ingredients into a medium-sized bowl, starting off with your cake flour, your sugar, your cocoa powder, your baking powder, baking soda, and your salt. Whisk it through until all of your dry ingredients are well combined. Next, into a larger bowl, you want to add all of your wet ingredients, starting off with your oil, your milk, your vanilla extract, and your 2 eggs. Whisk those ingredients together, then slowly drizzle in your boiling 1 cup of water while whisking until well incorporated. Next, add all of your dry ingredients into your wet ingredient mixture and mix it until they are well combined. And it should look something just like this. You see how easy it was to make your very own cake mix? Super simple, right? So no more cake mixes for 2020, right? So now we're gonna go ahead and fill our cupcake pans with some cupcake liners. I'm just using these black ones for today. And then you want to fill each one 2/3 of the way full. This recipe makes approximately 30 cupcakes. Our cupcakes have finished baking in the oven. I let them cool. Meanwhile, I also went ahead and dyed my frosting in 5 various colors of the galaxy. And then I went ahead and placed them into small disposable piping bags. And now what I'm going to do is show you guys how to create a swirly galactic effect. Ooh. So what I have here is a 21-inch disposable bag. It is like 5 times bigger than the smaller ones. And what you want to do is cut off the tip of each of your 5 disposable piping bags. Then you want to go ahead and place your Star Tip 8D inside of your large piping bag, simply by inserting it into your piping bag, pushing it back a little bit, cutting off the tip, then pushing it back through. Then you can go ahead and place all 5 of your smaller disposable piping bags right inside of the large one, and you'll see that it starts to create the swirly effect of your 5 galaxy colors. So to make your cupcakes, you want to start at the center, make your way around the cupcake, applying an equal amount of pressure, find your way back to the center, lift up, and let go. Then you can go ahead and add some star sprinkles, and your cupcakes are complete. Look at how elegant and galactic these look. Oh my goodness, I think galactic is my word of 2020. But these look absolutely amazing. They smell delicious. Guys, definitely give this recipe a try, whatever the occasion or event. Your friends and family will love these cupcakes. The chocolate cupcakes are super moist, nice and delectable. They complement the frosting very well. And what's not to like about the galaxy? If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to click the like button, as well as the subscribe and notification bells so you guys can be in the loop of any other videos that I upload. Also, don't forget to check out my galaxy mirror cake that I uploaded just the other day. It's a super delicious chocolate cake recipe, and it's super shiny and reflective. As always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant, and I hope you guys have a great start to your new year. And don't forget, on your paperwork, write 2020, not 2019. I will see you guys in the next video, and bye! I'm scared to move too fast.